Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add custom fonts into your TikTok captions. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. And the easiest way to add some custom font caption into your TikTok or any other app is to simply go to another website that would allow you to start generating text with mini fonts, and from there you can just simply copy and paste such fonts. So here I'm just going to my browser. You can choose either Chrome or any browser that you are using, and just go to igfonts.io, and then you will want to go to this igfonts.io and you click your caption or you add your caption. So my custom caption, and then it will generate a mini type of fonts for such caption. So you will need just to choose anything that you would like. You can upload the mini caption. You need just to scroll down until you find the desired caption. And let's just go back again, type whatever text we have, and let's just have it. I'm just going to click on this one. You select your text, you copy, and then after that you go to your TikTok post, and I'm just going to click on this one. You choose any image or anything, so we can do the same for message. So you need just to add your text simply. And as a result, you will have your font that will be generated as custom. So here I'm just going to have it like this. And as you can see, we have our custom font that has been generated successfully. So you add it into your caption and you just post, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.